long time. But we have different colors in the ice, like you maybe noticed. The black color are some sandstone stones that the glacier has brought with it from the mountain, and also volcanic ash from the eruptions around here. The white color comes on the ice after it's been out in the open air for some time, because then the surface crystallizes and then it looks white. The blue color is caused by the light that shines into the ice, but for us to see the blue color we have to have a wet and clear surface, just like on this one here. But the ice has to be much bigger for us to see it. The bluest ones we can see are usually the ones that have turned over, because then of course the surface that was underwater is wet, and yeah, then it can be very blue. But the lagoon is not very old, it's only about 76 years old, and in 1932 the glacier went all the way down to the bridge you see over there, but now there are about 5 kilometers between the bridge and the glacier. And the reason that the lagoon began to form is that under the bridge we have the shortest river in Iceland. So when there's flood, salt water from the sea flows towards the river, and the river turns around and salt water flows towards the glacier. And salt water melts ice faster than fresh water, and also the sea is a bit warmer, and that's why the glacier began to break down, and now it moves back about 100 meters every year. So this place is getting bigger quite fast. But even though it's not very old, it's getting quite famous, and many films have been shot here. For example, 2 James Bond films, View to Kill and Die Another Day. Scenes from Batman were shot just here nearby. Scenes from Lara Croft, Tomb Raider were shot here. And have you seen Titanic?
Yes.
It was not shot here. But still. Most of the icebergs you see are floating around. So this place looks very different every day. And you can only see about 10% of each iceberg. 90% are underwater, so it is often very hard to imagine how huge they really are. But for example, when this one's underwater, you can only see about this much of the ice. The water is between 2 and 5 degrees now in the summer. It can get to -5 in the winter, but it does normally not freeze because it is 50% salt water. But there are some fish living here, for example salmon, herring, trout and some seals. And also some birds, like you maybe noticed. Oh, there are 2 seals.